The final of the third, the most ambitious, is agentic orchestration. One is to drill down on personal productivity. When your people use ChatGPT to speed up office work, writing emails, working with spreadsheets, that's great, that's fine. It's irrelevant at scale. There are no system level results. Why do I say that? Consider if research and development in your firm all of a sudden produced 10x the output. It would lie on the cutting room floor because you need the rest of the business to do something with it. Inventions have to work their way through every single function to launch and scale. The second is the most defensive, embedded SaaS AI. You buy Copilot, you buy Salesforce Einstein, the board feels good, the stock looks good. This is the safe option, which is exactly why it's not a competitive advantage, because if everybody is doing it, and many people are, well, where's your differentiation? It's safe also in the fact that it's very secure from a cybersecurity point of view. But in my view, you trade a lot of value in exchange for that possibility. And the final of the third, the most ambitious, is agentic orchestration. You build AI into the DNA of the company, into the operating model, into the workflows. The company starts to think differently. It does things that were unimaginable previously, and that's where the value is. And that's where 95% of companies aren't. The first two are relatively easy. The third is incredibly hard. The first two generate extremely modest returns. The third, possibly multiplicative returns. What's the foundation underneath all three? Behavioral governance, new kinds of leadership, and innovation design, what I call change agility. The above is a product of the last 18 months of my life, not the names, the toolkits, the processes, the behaviors, the ways I enable human teams to get adoption done. And without those enabling processes in the yellow, the modes are just risky, expensive decoration.